Hello everyone, welcome back to javidacademy HTML tutorial video 3. In this video, we will learn how to add hyperlinks and images to our web pages. We will also understand an important concept in HTML called elements and attributes. Let's get started. I will open Visual Studio Code as usual and make a boilerplate shift explanation mark and enter together. Make it bigger. Here I will write hyperlink. I will make here pair of a tag. A means anchor tag. In middle I will write open Google. It will be visible on our website. A tag is called an anchor tag and is used to create a hyperlink. Here I will create href. The href attributes specify the destination URL. Inside the double quotation mark, you can place a website address or a file path to link. So I am going to put here external website from Google. So I will make it small. Right, so this is our working place. Perfect. Right now in this example, google.com is an external website URL. So I will copy this link and paste inside. Control S save, open with live server, then you will see open Google. The text open Google appear as the clickable link. When you click the link, it will take you to Google's website. Click here. See, it will take you to the Google website. In the same way, you also can put other URL website as well. In the same way, we can make another external website URL. Now I will create a pair of anchor tag. Like right now, I will bring the Wikipedia URL. I will write open Wikipedia. Href attributes on Google Wikipedia. Go to Wikipedia site. Copy this path and paste here. Control S save. Before we see Google open in a same browser. Now we will see this Wikipedia will open in a new browser tab. For this, we need to add one attributes called target. Then underscore belong. Control S save, open with live server, but you need to do line break here, add BR for line break. Control S save, you will see now it's on separate line. If you click on open Wikipedia, it will take you to the Wikipedia website in a new tab. But if you want to click on open Google again, it will take you to the Google in a same tab. So this is the difference. Okay, let's go. Now we will know about images. HTML images. Basic syntax. Example, basic HTML image syntax will be like that. Image src, image.jpg, alt, example, my image. Here is the explanation. src specify the image file path or URL. alt alternative text shown if the image cannot be displayed. It is also important for accessibility and SEO. The image tag is a self-closing tag and doesn't require a closing tag. Let's go for coding. Here I will make a file called image.html. As usual, boilerplate. Here I will change image. Here I will write open angle bracket image, then space src. Then I will put my image URL here. So let's go. I will bring here one of my image. This is my image, Javid. So I will check which format is it. Is it in JPG format? You also can put PNG or whatever images you can This image I need to take in this folder called HTML practice. Then I will open Visual Studio Code here again, and my image javid.jpg, it will come automatically. Press enter. Then alt, I will write example my image, closing bracket, open with live server. You can see my image is here, but this image is a bit bigger, so I would like to make it smaller. So what I need to do, I need to set height and width, but normally I will set here width. I will set up with 300, Ctrl S, save. This is the perfect size for image. Also, I can set height here as well. Height 200, Ctrl S, save. But I am going to keep only width. Normally, if I put width, height set automatically. Ctrl S, save. So this is the way we can set up images on our website. But if some reason bad internet connection or wrong typing, if image doesn't show it, this my image writing will appear on my page. You can see my image. I will fix my image again and Ctrl S, save. It will come back normal. That's the way you can set up images on your web pages. Now we will see HTML elements and attributes. We will go over with little theoretical knowledge. An HTML element is a complete HTML structure that usually consists of an opening tag, contain a closing tag. The entire code value is an HTML element. You can see ahref https //www.google.com, visit Google. The entire code we can call element. Attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Href, here is the URL http www.google.com. Href is the attribute name. Here is the another URL http //www.google.com is the attribute value. So one is the name and one is the value. It specifies the destination URL of the link. We also need to remember attributes are always written inside the opening tag. Great job! Now you know how to create links and images to your web pages. You also learn how attributes work and why they are important in HTML. If you are enjoying this HTML series, please like, share and subscribe to Javid Academy. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.